Hello guys, how to fix find in page not working in Mozilla Firefox. Firefox has a built-in search feature that you can use to find words or phrases on the page you are viewing. Sometimes it can be frustrating as you may have troubling getting it to work. If you are using Firefox, chances are you have encountered the issue of find in page not working properly. The Find in Page feature is a useful tool that allows you to search for the highlight specific text on a web page. Most users prefer to quickly hit the Ctrl plus F shortcut key for easy access of Find in Page. It enables you to find certain information on a page, or if you want to copy and paste the same text into another documents. When you click on the Find in Page button, it should bring up a text box and allow you to type in what you want to search for. If it's not working, there may be something wrong with your browser settings. Here are the fixes to solve your issue. And the first workaround to fix this issue is right click on three horizontal dot, choose help and about Firefox. Update Firefox browser. Firefox is up to date. If your Firefox is outdated, such type of error will appear on your screen. So update your Firefox browser. The second method workaround to fix this issue is disable extension. Go to more tools and extensions for developer also choose. Otherwise, you can also choose add-ons and themes option. Click on three horizontal dot again and choose add-ons and themes. And if you have installed extensions, Firefox extension in your system, then disable it first. And check whether your find in page in Firefox resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. More troubleshooting information. Here choose refresh Firefox. Refreshing Firefox may we resolve this issue at once. So choose refresh Firefox. And if your problem is still, then uninstall and reinstall Firefox browser in your system. Choose Windows settings, go to apps, installed apps, and here look for Firefox. Here click on three horizontal dot and choose uninstall. Rather install a fresh Mozilla Firefox in your Windows 10 11 system and your problem